Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO V50 and today I'll show you how you can wipe cache partition on this phone. So to get started, hold power button and volume up at the same time and select power off from the boot options. Next, when the device turns off, hold power button and volume up again and immediately let go of the power button when you feel vibration. So there's the vibration. And when you see fast boot, you can also let go of the volume up. Now using volume button, specifically pressing volume down once, we can select recovery mode and then press power button to confirm it. This will now boot us into recovery mode, in which we can access the wipe cache partition option. So in here, just select clear data and then select clear cache. Confirm by selecting OK, then return, back arrow, and restart, and OK. And this will now bring us back to Android with the process being fully finished. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.